So now let's take a look at our pound JPY for the week. We will be starting it on our daily time frame. We will start with our daily time frame. As we can see, our pound JPY has actually been ranging within this area here. So I'm going to highlight it for you now. You can see this key level here that our price has actually reacted to. We saw our price came here, it's bounced up, it came here again, it's bounced up, and now it has actually come to this area again, and very much likely it will also bounce up this week. We will want to see our pound to our JPY actually bounce up this week very soon. But before that, I would love to see our pound JPY to come out to give us that huge liquidity area, to hit this our liquidity area. So I would not want to be taking a buy except we probably be seeing this huge liquidity area. One thing I want you to also know is that there's every possibility it might not come down to hit this our liquidity, and there's every possibility it can also come down to hit it again. We can see if you are to highlight it, this our markets, by the way, you can see it here. This was actually our price came here, tap this liquidity area, see another this huge liquidity area. Right now we can see that this place was also a key level where our price came here and it's bounced up. You also see the key level area where our price came here and bounced up again. So this I will be calling it also a legitimate area where our pound can possibly come to hit it and go up, and if it does not, then definitely we should be seeing that reversal move around there. So by next week we should be seeing that our price should actually be going bullish on our pound to our JPY. So it will it come to hit this our liquidity is what we might not be able to predict correctly, but we will be expecting a bullish move anytime soon on our pound JPY. Now let's take a look at it on our JPY index. We can see our JPY index has actually given us that bullish move, right? And once we have that bullish move, we will be having a pullback very soon. Now let's take a look at it. We see this our higher highs, we see this our higher lows, a retracement we can call it. We've seen this huge massive higher highs here, right? We will be expected to we are expected to have a retracement, a pullback anytime soon, right? So once we are having that pullback on our JPY index, that is when our pound itself would actually now start giving us that bullish move. So once our JPY index is giving us that retracement, we will be seeing that our pound actually giving us that bullish move. So as on our JPY index, we are expecting a pullback anytime soon. We see the pound JPY index come here to hit this level here on our daily time frame. We would want to see a pullback to around this key level area where our price broke out from. We can see our previous higher highs. We would want our JPY index to come here to hit this our previous higher highs. And note that this our previous higher highs was also a key level area again. We can see our price pushes up and it came down right at this level here. Our price hits up and came down here. As we can see, our price has actually pushed up, it also came down to retrace, and now it has given us a bullish move. So once we are having that retracement, we will be seeing the retracement to this key level area, then our JPY index can possibly be going bullish. So above all, once we are having that JPY index, or when we are having that retracement on our JPY index, our pound to our JPY will actually be going bullish. So this week we should be aiming to take our buy on our pound JPY.